Good, wonderful, beautiful morning. Audience, what are you looking for? The garbage man already came. You were late. You didn't get to watch him. You were sleeping. It looks like it's a halfway decent day today. It's about 40 degrees outside, which means snow could be flying any day now. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Shelby, do you want some snow? Memphis, do you want some snow? How about you, Miss Oakley? Do you want some snow? Go snuggle up in the snow. I know, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. But, looks kind of nice and sunny out there today. Yeah, or are you that excited for it? That kind of excited? That's what I thought. Yeah, yeah. Oh, good morning, guys. Oh, dogs. Hey, you still have stitches. You still have, bless you, you still have stitches. You got, hey, calm down just a little bit, Thanks. So today is the official first start of pumpkin carving day. Jamie and I are running out for a little bit. I think we're gonna go to the apple farm and pick up a few things, maybe pick up a couple more pumpkins. And then this evening is the official day we start, but not a whole ton of people are usually here on the first day. Greg will be here. I don't even know who else is gonna be here, but it's the official first day, so I'm gonna try to remember, as always, to film as much as I can as we start to carve all these pumpkins. Hey, I just said you have to calm down because you still have stitches. Shelby, stop. Focus, breathe, calm. Good girl. I used to tell her that all the time when she was a puppy. I used to say the same thing to Memphis as a puppy. Focus on the sound of my voice. Focus. I think it works. Yeah, sometimes it works. What do you think, sweetheart? She's like, no, you never told me that. That's because I didn't have you as a puppy. You wouldn't understand it now. I tell you to focus when you jump on the couch, but you don't listen anyway. So remember yesterday how we were telling you guys that we got a massive amount of water? I can't even talk. And things were flooding. The river is flooded. Yeah. We're gonna have to go up to the bridge. Yeah. This is some guy's little camp property. You can see that's actually where he parked his camper, and that's his little that's his septic tank for his camper. It's underwater. Unfortunately, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at all the trees. Oh, there's people's like barns and stuff over there that are underwater. We might have to go drive around that way. This is like worse than spring runoff. Yeah, this is probably worse than spring runoff. I've never seen the water this high. This is crazy. What? Look at it swirling up there. Holy man, I gotta get out and take some pictures. Okay. Wow, this is crazy. I'm standing on the bridge. It's not touching the top of the bridge. I cannot believe how much, look at it. It's all going way out over there. The water's not supposed to go that way. The river usually goes right here. This is insane. And it's moving so fast. I tell you what, today'd be a day to go kayaking, that's for sure. You'd be flying down this river. Wow, you can just see it rushing over there, just trying to go anywhere. That's crazy. So I was actually just reading on Facebook, and a friend of mine posted, we've had 5 inches of rain total over a course of what, 2.5 days. So a lot of water, which is why everything is flooded. That's pretty crazy. Even sitting here, this looks crazy how fast the river is moving. Mm-hmm. So I just looked it up. We had 5 inches of rain on average. So like average, 1 inch of rain normally equals about 13 inches of snow. So over the course of 2 days, if this would have been snow, we would have had over 5 feet of snow potentially fall. Welcome to Michigan. I think they're predicting that we are going to have a massive amount of snow this winter. So guys, keep your paws crossed, because I would love to have a good snowfall winter. Jamie's flying a drone right now. We just got home and the other dogs know we're here, but I think this dog is sound asleep. Oh, hi. Good afternoon. Did you not even hear us come in? Oh, you gonna yawn? Oh, it's the biggest yawn ever. You're nice and comfy, nice and warm in here, huh? You looking for Dad to come through the door? Hi. Would you like to go outside with your sisters? Oh, my goodness. You want to go outside with your sisters and then have some lunch? How's that sound? Yeah? Or you want to just go back to sleep? Back to sleep? Yeah? Yeah? So many yawns. Come on, let's go outside. Good girl. Shake it off. Shake all the sleeps off. Oh, stretch them legs. That's a good stretch. We see the Jeep now, huh? Come on. Oakley. Yeah, I know. Come on, we're going outside. Oakley, that's your Jeep. Come on, let's go outside, honey. Come on. I love you. Yeah, shake it off. Let's go. All right, let's go outside. She's so funny. You sleep like a rock. Girls are having some lunch. Greg should be here about an hour or two. We're gonna get started on carving some pumpkins. I might actually put the lights out outside. Normally we have our light show up and running far before now, but we might do that tonight too. We'll see. The pumpkin guy lives. So I think we're gonna get rid of these pumpkins this year and use the bigger ones that we got, but they'll kind of be in the same area. But the pumpkin guy lives. If you guys have never seen them before, I'll put a link to a playlist of some of the songs we've done up in the cards above. More Halloween stuff. I don't think that's how you're supposed to, well, I guess they're dead anyway.
They're just bones. They're just hanging out.
They're just bones.
Hey, thanks. Alright, let's go stick the dogs out.
Alright, be good, dogs.
Yep.
Be good. Somebody's here to help carve pumpkin. I bet you can guess who it is based on that dog's reaction right there. Yeah? No? Yeah? That's what I thought. Well, it looks like we got them working. We got the lights working. We got all the little mini pumpkin guys working. So all the new black pumpkins, these little ones, go with my little tiny pumpkins that we had at the base of the big pumpkin, which is pretty cool. That definitely adds the extra look that we've been looking for a long time. So, pretty cool. I didn't add any new songs yet this year, and I don't think I'm gonna have time, but the lights are working, the house is decorated, everything looks amazing! Look, I totally carved all 4 of these pumpkins tonight. I win.
You did not.
Totally did.
Not tonight.
They do look really cool though.
Year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
This was like the first fake one of the first fake pumpkins I ever did. I didn't do any last year, so that would have been the year before. And then that one was the year before that. And then that one I did a while ago too.
They look much better in your camera.
They do, don't they?
Yeah.
No, that's what makes them cool.
Especially this one. This one looks really dark in real life because we got so many lights in.
Yeah, it looks really cool on camera though.
Yeah, it does.
So you done carving a pumpkin yet?
I haven't even started. I take you upstairs.
that one, I guess.
That one over there?
Plain ones that we didn't carve.
Right. We'll go we
Just
take
wait, is there any
upstairs
over
and
in
go
here I
carve
carved?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to.
Cut some open.
I don't know. That made me. This kind of put me in the mood. That kind of triggered my brain to go, oh yeah, that time of the year.
Before we can start carving, though, you need to go to that site and get the new ones for this year.
Yeah, I know. I gotta do that. I gotta go get my printer. So we're back to our favorite part of the year.
Making noise.
For those of you that are wondering how we managed to gut and carve 100 pumpkins,
We should get the steak knife for this time.
oh right, this is part of the way we do it. We got to save some seeds so we can plant them next year.
No.
You don't have to do these 4. We can start the seeds tomorrow.
Yeah.
I mean, unless they're really good. Like this one's pretty good.
Well, the last one was pretty good
They're
too.
all pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that's what we do to gut the inside. We use that tool, pumpkin gutter. Are you getting pumpkin in your face? Do you need safety glasses?
Right?
Yeah, wear safety glasses.
Yeah.
I got mine on.
Right? Safety is #1 priority. Oh, it smells smells amazing.
I need to say I have to cut that thing.
That one landed on my shirt.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed when
At least it wasn't on the camera.
True.
Yeah, I got quite a bit on me.
Okay, I'm gonna go find a pattern.
Okay.
Okay, so here's what's going on. So we've got all these patterns and we're totally gonna do them all tonight. Not really. Are you prepared for that, Matt?
Yeah. I'm winging it. Here we go.
I only gotta carve this many pumpkins tonight.
Those of you that have been here before know how we do this, but those of you that are new don't. So we basically take a pattern, and then we take this epic. You haven't seen this yet.
I haven't done a lot of pumpkin carving, so you're teaching me too. I'm learning with the audience.
This is the way to make it easier.
Okay.
So we take transfer paper, and we tape our patterns to the transfer paper, and then we put them on the pumpkins, and then we draw on the transfer paper instead of using those stupid polka dot things. And then it's amazing. We'll show you what it looks like when we get that far.
We'll show you Matt's demented looking pumpkin.
When we get that far. Alright, so I kind of forgot to show you guys after the blue stuff got drawn on, but that's what it looks like. And now Greg's going through and scraping it out.
Yeah, but I just rubbed all of this off where I didn't carve
That's
it.
okay. You're artistic, so Memphis is...
Call me autistic.
Artistic. Memphis is...
Alright, both are good though.
It's an
Memphis is
artistic
eating
pirate.
Artistic. Look at Memphis is like, can I just eat some of these? Can I eat some pumpkin? I would love some pumpkin. Oh. But anyway, when he's done with this one, I'll show you what it is. Can you figure out what it is before he's done? If you can't, well, you're looking at the wrong screen, because I can clearly see what it is. Oh, that looks so cool!
Oh, look, it's heavy.
That's funny, because that's where a deer kicked it, and there's a deer on it. Memphis is like, wait, where's the pieces? I would like some pieces, please. I don't think I have any pieces. Hold on, Memphis.
There's a bunch of pieces in here.
Oh, wait, here. I got one. I got one. Here, I'll give you a piece of pumpkin. Oh, it's a piece of pumpkin. Good stuff. Yeah. So this is what Greg's pumpkin looks like all lit up. This one is, we kind of pretty much showed you this one from start to finish. So there it is finished. Looks pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
Carving day 1 is over. How many did we do, Jamie?
No. Right? No.
Well, there was 3 of us here for the most part, and then Matt showed up, so there was 4 of us here total. We did 7, which is pretty good. But we got the whole
It's a lucky number.
we got the whole lights show set up, so
That is true.
that made it nice.
Yeah. Time for bed, huh?
Memphis is like, I'm so.
late.
She's down here looking for. She's down here looking for pumpkin pieces.
Rat.
Pumpkin pieces. So how's your first night of crazy carving?
I have 2 pumpkins. And I learned a lot.
Now you see why this takes us so long.
Yep. It pays to have people come help.
Yes, it does.
Tomorrow!
Yeah. Yay! Memphis is like, yay, we're excited.
So much pumpkin! That's great!
Yep, she's happy as can be. I've been down there carving pumpkins. Came up here and let the dogs out a little bit ago. But where's Miss Shelby? Miss Shelby, are you in here? Did you go to bed? Oh my goodness, look at you. Like, Mom, I was so asleep and then you just woke me up. You got this bed all yourself? You didn't even want to come downstairs with us? She's like, no, I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. All right, I'll shut the light back off so you can go to bed. I just wanted to say goodnight. Everybody wanted to say goodnight to you. Is that okay? Okay, we'll let Shelby go to bed. Oh. Alright, you guys, that is it for today. The next couple of vlogs will be interesting. It'll probably be a mishmash of a couple of days. It won't go up until Monday, of course, but it'll probably be a compilation of the next few carving days that we do. Because it is kind of hard for me to pull the camera out while we're carving and have everybody over because we're trying to get so much done. Are you licking the couch? You're such a weirdo. Hey, stop licking the couch, weirdo. Alright, you guys, if you're new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, stay positive, dream big, and we'll see you again soon. Good night, audience. I'm exhausted.